Hi friends, I'm Parikshet from Christian Club and we are going to draw a rabbit.
Easy.
So let's drawing a rabbit.
Easy and simple rabbit drawing.
Yeah.
What do we need?
It's going to be a little difficult.
A little difficult.
Yeah.
So what do we need? As always?
Black crystal and paper and few colors.
Let's start.
Drawing.
We start with the face.
The face is kind of difficult.
Okay.
Papa, what are you doing, Papa?
Make it over here. Okay.
It's looking like a dog.
Okay, done.
It's going to look like a dog.
Now let's make the bunny ears of the rabbit. Because of the ears, it won't look like a dog.
And the main thing, the ear should be nice.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it could look like a dog also.
Yeah. So done till here?
No.
Yes. Are we?
What?
Let's continue. The body.
I don't have enough space.
That is why I said you to keep it here. And why did you? The ears have to be here on the head. Why did you take it in the body? It's okay. Do it over here.
That's how I draw the tail then.
Okay, the tail won't come. It's okay. So now, okay.
The last leg of the bunny is big.
Yes.
I'm starting with the last leg. We don't need to color a lot of in this.
Yeah, a lot of coloring is not required in this.
A little bit of shading and coloring done.
Yes.
Aww.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait now. I got confused.
Okay. Yeah. Everything good till here?
Papa, I'm done with the rabbit drawing.
Wow, you're done.
Yeah,
That was so fast.
I'm just showing guys now. Now it's looking like a rabbit, no, Papa?
Yes. Perfect.
I'm done also, no?
That's the carrot.
He has eaten that much.
Mm-hmm.
Ding dong, 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 ding dong, ding dong.
Let's color the carrot fast.
Ding dong,
The orange
ding
color.
dong, ding dong, ding dong.
And what do we do?
Oh, wait now. Wait for me.
Okay.
Wait now.
Okay, you
Oh.
can color it.
Wait for me. Wait for me. I am saying.
Okay. Let's wait for Parikshet because he's insisting so much to wait for him. Let's wait for him.
Are you going to color the full grass?
Yes. Any problem with that?
I'm not going to color it only. Ouch. Ooh. I'm telling you, wait for me.
You said you're not going to color, so that means your drawing is over.
I have to color also, no. I'm going to color the garden. I have no problem if I color.
No, I don't have a problem.
Just wait for me. Papa, please wait now.
I'm almost done. Then you can continue.
Wait first.
Okay. Okay.
You have to color the rest of it.
No, that's all.
No.
My drawing is done.
No,
Come on, I'm waiting for you. Finish it.
I'm not going to wait for you. My drawing is done.
Your drawing is also done? Excellent.
No, my drawing is not done. My drawing is... What?
Let's wait for Parikshet to finish his drawing.
My drawing is done.
Wow, that's so beautiful, isn't it?
Okay.
So,
So whose drawing is it?
Parikshet, give me a high five. Oh. So if you loved the drawing,
Yeah. Like and subscribe my channel to see more of the amazing videos.
then have a great
And a wonderful day.